Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the ShopPay application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the ShopPay application on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken into the home page, from which you can tap on the Connect Google option or sign in with email to directly start signing up. Tap on whichever option is suitable for you, and you might be asked to enter your email address if you choose the sign in with email option. Just type in your email address that you wish to use, and then you will be allowed to create your password. Now, if you're not asked to enter your password, then you will directly be taken into the tracking update page. You can tap on the skip button at the top right corner or tap on get tracking updates in order to turn on notifications. Now you will be taken into the ShopPay application, and now you will be signed up to your brand new account on the ShopPay application, and now you can directly start shopping. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the ShopPay application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.